Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Anya Swami and today we are going to be covering the topic chart types and information. So first of all we need to know कि what are the various types of charts and क्या क्या होता है उसमें, we are going to talk about that. First is we have the navigational chart. Now what is a navigational chart? Navigation, as the name suggests, you are able to navigate using that chart. It has various coordinates, you can tell latitudes, longitudes, all of that. Then we have ship's boat chart. कि ship को कहाँ पे steer करना है, क्या route follow करना है, that all, and also a lot of other things are included in the ship's boat charts. कि हर hotel का not only कि जहाँ पे उसको steer करना है, just in case it lands up in another sea somehow, so it needs to have charts of every type of sea. Then we have the routing charts again, क्या route है, all of that. Magnetic charts की see, because why are we supposed to know about magnetic field, magnetic charts? Because आपका जो भी compass है, whatever your technology or whatever electrical system you are using, that gets affected according to magnetic field. So you are supposed to know कि where all are the likely places जहाँ पे हमारा material जो है उस पे थोड़ा सा difference आ सकता है, there can be variations. Then we have the ocean sounding charts, as the name suggests. Then you have the lattice deca chart, that is another different types of chart. ठीक है, and then we have last is the astronomical charts and diagrams, that is using stars हम कैसे अपने charts को कोड कर सकते हैं, कहाँ से हम movement कहाँ से क्या move करना चाहिए, that is using astronomical charts and diagrams. Now the various information shown on charts. अब क्या chart पे, this is very important. You're supposed to know this. This is a definite type of question that does come in exams. We have this part. ये तो करना ही करना है और कुछ करो ना करो, but this is very necessary. We have the number of the chart कि क्या chart number है, because since there's a lot of many charts एक particular number होगा, so it becomes easier. कि अगर for example out of 100 charts में कह दूँ कि you're supposed to find ये वाला chart, so it is very difficult for you to look at the whole names. But if I tell you that okay you're supposed to find 21 number chart, you can easily find that. Title of the chart कि क्या वो provide कर रहा है, किस चीज़ के बारे में वो chart है, that सर्वे डेटा कि क्या सर्वे से व्हाट वाज द सर्वे में डेटा, हाउ, बिकॉज सी चार्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज ऑफ सर्वे कि यहाँ से यू चार्टेड, यू वेंट फॉर एग्जांपल इनिशियली इन ओल्डन पीरियड इट वाज कि आप जब अपना जर्नी फर्दर जाते हो अपनी जर्नी पे, सो देन यू आर एबल टू यूज सर्वे कि अच्छा यहाँ पे आई फाउंड दिस वाज द लैंडमार्क. ठीक है, नाउ इवन टुडे वी हैव द सर्वे डेटा कि जब हमने वो डेटा जब वी वर एबल टू फाइंड दैट चार्ट, जब हमने वो चार्ट बनाया तो क्या क्या व्हाट वाज द डेटा दैट वाज इन्वॉल्व्ड. सोर्स डेटा डायग्राम कि जो हमारा सोर्स डेटा है उसका क्या मतलब इजीली अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए वी मेक अ डायग्राम ऑफ द सोर्स डेटा. एंड देन वी हैव द डेट ऑफ पब्लिकेशन, क्योंकि अगर कोई चेंज होता है, अगर कोई हमने नया इस पे इंट्रोडक्शन किया है, डेवलपमेंट करी है, सो देन वी कैन सी कि अच्छा लास्ट दिस वाज कब बना था ये और अब क्या चेंजेस आए हैं उस पर्टिकुलर चार्ट में, दैट कैन बी इजीली सीन फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ पब्लिकेशन. And that is that. Now we have also further we talk about the new edition कि अगर new edition है so it will be written कि इसके ऊपर new edition है, कि पुराना edition है, it becomes easier. Date of printing, कब वो print हुआ था. Chart dimensions कि क्या chart कितना बड़ा chart है, what is the length and breadth. Scale of the chart कि if 1 centimeter represents how many nautical miles or how many miles or kilometers. Abbreviations and symbols, again जैसे normal हम स्कूल में मैथ कोड करते हैं उसमें we use abbreviations and symbols. Similarly here, heights की नीचे ocean bed का कितना ऊपर नीचे है, again drying heights is also similar. And then we have tidal stream information that tells us कि अच्छा यहाँ से tides इधर flow करते हैं, यहाँ से tides इधर flow करती हैं, which is very important especially when you're sailing a ship. Now that is what we talked about, and that is all you need to know for charts. And again this you need to know what are the various information shown on chart by any how any mean, this you are supposed to know. And that is all about charts and the various types of charts. I hope you were able to understand it. Any questions or queries you have, you can let us know in the comment section below. Thank you and Jai Hind.